Hello guys, this is part 2 because I annoyingly had my phone cut out, but if it does it again then I'm sorry, but it might be a failed wash race because of my camera, because I don't think the heat helps, but let's try that again. I've got enough storage, got enough battery, so yeah, do you mind if we get a bucket of water to top that up with? It hasn't used the most water. Oh, no way. That siphon has gone down earlier, I think. Oh well.
The plug was getting quite hot, so I had to put a fan on it.
There's 2 machines running. Is that too much? Oh, nice one. Watering comes better. Yeah. You want me to do it? gas. Better. Cheers for that. I'm just getting anxious about that plug though. Because we've only got them two running.
Probably the system's still powerful in that drawing. Well, there's a form of cooling source on it now, so it shouldn't get hot. I want me to go get you one more jug full of water for that, Michael.
What was that?
You want me to get one more watering can
If,
for that?
if you want, yeah.
Just so that way it can swirl water around.
I reckon if these machines find the right people, they will sell for quite a lot. I reckon at least 100 quid. Like each. Yeah, that'll be enough. Hopefully the middle of that's actually getting washed. But at least a wash is better than none. I've had this for a while though. picking me up. Oh yeah, he's picking me up in between. Well,
That machine just wouldn't bloody die. Tell you that now, it did not want to die.
I say it's sad, I'll sell it. I would like to try one of these in the future. If I'm honest. But yeah. Oh, and you still got this. Broken spider. You got one of that as well?
Nah, that machine, you had that about the end.
I dare you to use it like this. Get one use out of it. How come you've still got a lot of scrap waiting here?
So I've got that in on.
Yeah, but how come like crystal one comes out? Didn't get into scrapping.
Yeah, you don't do the scrap anymore. See, he does appliance collections for me. He collects them for me. But obviously, I haven't had to use them within the past few days.
Yeah, I know. Because I was gonna say you went over to you know who's the other day. That looks like it's washing better. Let me just check. Oh, yeah, there's not much room in at the top of the turbo. That's alright, as long as it gets washed. We could compare the service mode in these two after that. Obviously, with nothing in it. Yeah, you can still buy these right now.
Yeah.
Why don't you try selling this one as brand new, but a brand new return?
Nah, that machine I was given.
Oh, wait, so is it getting collected back, or?
Nah, that was my one.
Wait, so you own this?
Yeah.
Are you keeping it?
Nah, it's going.
I know you're keeping that one for a while though.
Yeah, the H-Wash is going to be kept for a little while.
Yeah. I don't know, you did freezers?
I was also given that alongside with the bush.
You've still got this though. Is that not sold?
Nah.
Look how bad the walk is there. It sounds like there's something in the drum.
Just dirt.
Oh.
That's how long it's been sat. The literal dirt still falling off the drum.
Oh yeah. Could do with a turbo drum clean. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I remember this being here when I first came over to see the WF860. So you've had this sat here for like 2 months.
Yeah.
lukewarm. They're not burning hot.
Just had someone inquire about that.
Oh, have you? What are you looking for?
Yeah, code 2016. I'll just say 2017.
Yeah. Well, actually, if you think about it, saying 2017 is like good idea. check out first one. See if it's alright. Yeah, that's how it sounds. No, it's not that dirty. What would you say? Have you ever had a geranium? Have you ever had a geranium?
No.
Have you ever had a spoon bottle? No, spoon bottle. Yeah. Oh yeah, you know Faro wash cup is still there. You know Faro wash cup is still there?
No, I probably no. All I know is I traced back in one up
Look how close this is going to be. They're both on 25 minutes. That fills at 60. That fills at 40. Anti-stain 100. Oh, I didn't know it could reach 100 degrees. They're normally it's anti-stain 40.
What?
Anti-stain 100. I thought they were normally just.
Unless that's just an hour 40.
No, it's a cotton eco model. I thought it was eco 4060. That tells me that a lot of these. One thing I've noticed is Hoover and Hopwing, even though they like release new machines, their design's all the same.
Yeah.
I do find it a bit interesting that even though at the exact same time, they don't tumble at the same time. You would think they would. Oh yeah, there's the Hyacinth. Did you take anything off it?
Nah.
I think they'll move on to rinses at 20 minutes to go, if I'm correct. Unless they only do one rinse.
They should do too.
Oh yeah, I remember my nan's old candy and the one you gave me for a while. That did 2, but it didn't do intent. Actually no, the one you gave me was slightly older. It was 2014. The one my nan had was 2015. Ours did do intent, but my nan one didn't. Yeah, so did you say that one went to one of your neighbours?
Yeah, up the road.
Oh, nice.
They live around the corner from me.
Do you reckon if anything goes wrong with it, you'll get it back?
Most likely, yeah.
What if anything goes wrong with the,
I still don't get why that guy's still going on about that bloody candy.
Oh yeah.
And it's bloody gone. I even mentioned it to him. It's gone.
Yeah,
it's
I think I heard your comment.
It's not coming back.
Well, to his knowledge.
Well, to his knowledge. To us, maybe.
Yeah.
Like, he just won't let off. Like, he won't let off the accelerator pedal.
I really want another 716. What was wrong with this when you first got it?
Yeah, clean. Just check outside real quick. Yeah, I reckon he might just be a length.
Okay, the dynamic next reached 20 minutes before that one did. Oh yeah! You're gonna definitely dry shirts in 12 minutes.
I think that's just a warm-up program or a refresh.
Oh, there's the cabinet from the old. on there something. Feet on these, well, at least this one isn't actually seen.
Yeah.
But I reckon this one. Yeah, that one is. So there was no saving this one. I don't know why it became so rusty. Because if you look, the rust is all from there, not the top or this side. It's straight down the back. I reckon it's from that soapbox.
New H wash is draining, so that one should start draining soon.
Wait, which one started draining?
H wash. So that Hoover should start to turn, cut out, and then start draining. Whoa.
Whoa, chill out, Hoover.
Unless count me wrong.
It's only with one sheet as well. I kind of really want to try one of these out. The slim ones, if you got my message the other day, the slim ones are rare because they're a Ionix exclusive and they don't sell hardly any anymore. Because this is like the first one to come out and they've now moved over to the Wizard and not One Touch. Next time I'm looking to try a Hoover like this and you have a slim one or an 8 kilo one, let me know. I want to try one of those, get a 716 again, or try a WMFUG Smart Tech. Oh, see, no intern spin. That's the only irritating thing. Don't know why that's not draining.
Totally different programming.
Yeah. I don't know if you've noticed, but a lot of these Eco 40 to 60 machines now don't actually say the energy rating on the drawer.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. This one might do an intense spin. Have you noticed something? A Beko with a non-DC motor has an 8 plus energy rating, but then a Beko with a DC motor, like from the same age, has a double plus energy rating. No intense spin.
What's that on? A white hot boy, TCD 100 dry, I think.
Oh, that wasn't even a rinse. How can you class that as a rinse? Oh, well. Oh, look at that. It's dropped down time. 7 minutes 16. I reckon that one's going to win. I can't wait for summer holidays. Going to Dublin, fixing the WF. Probably no intention again. Yes, no. Oh, see what? That's also dropped down loads of time. That's gone to 8 minutes. It'd be interesting to see what they both decide to do on the final spin then. Yeah, so how did you find out? Well, how? Because obviously it's not true. Where did you find the information that them tubs from Hoover is obsolete when they still get made?
One of my mates that works for Candy Hoover. He told me, whoa. Oh my god.
I'd get your camera out.
Nah, we get it on the video. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Imagine if that, probably up to the moon and back.
Probably would have jumped off both its springs. Probably blew the track as well whilst it was at it.
What I suggest you do is take the front cover off of that and put it into that, because that's got the clip for the drawer at the back, whereas that one don't.
That's probably going to spin that.
Right there.
Yep.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, that wasn't interesting.
I swear shock absorbers do nothing in certain machines, that is. Right, that one's also...
There's still condensation on the glass.
Yeah.
There's still heat in it.
Probably in the centre. Might give it another rinse when I get home.
I'll give it one more rinse off in there, maybe.
Shock absorbers, guys, in certain machines nowadays do nothing. Look how well that's handling. It's just a gimmick.
water lock.
Are you sure that ain't gonna spark out?
No.
Because it sounded like the motor was struggling with it. Oh, do you know what that one reminds me of, which is why I want to try it? That Hoover link we had.
Yeah.
One of the summers, I think it was summer 2023, with that Samsung washer dryer. It's got the same door. Sorry, see. Oh, I might actually be trying to go to 1400. I'll let you have your seat back. I can just rewatch it back in the video. It kind of sounds like the drum might explode.
Also, another thing, the Hoover's jumped down to 2 minutes, the H-wash. Whilst the dynamic nest's got 6 minutes left. So we might actually have a winner here.
I don't know if it's because that motor floor has dropped, but the 300 seems a lot more stable than the dynamic neck.
Yeah, it is, because that's on a more sturdier floor.
Oh. What? Okay then. Can I take that back?
80 quid, you can have it.
No, I'm joking, it's yours. If you do actually decide to sell it in the end, let me know and I'll think about it, depending on the situation and things. I do want to try it out.
Alright.
Oh, what? That's ended with 5 minutes left. Look, I think it's gone out. Okay, well in that case guys, I like the H-wash's programming better. Holds at 1400 for longer.
You hear the sparking of the motor, can you hear it?
Yeah, that's an okay spark, that's just the background. That's not because it's going to burn out. It had a new motor put in it, remember last week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody hell, your battery pack's hanging out.
Yeah, it's because I fully charged it. not. What's it doing? It's just gone down a minute when it's meant to be ending. Did you see that? Yeah, I like this one.
Well, looks like we have a winner. The dynamic next stands out tall. That's the results. It's blocking the damn view. Oh crap.
Yeah, feel the centre of that. That's still well hot.
That's good. Well, hot. Still warm. You want to put out an extra rinse?
Make sure that goes in strong full. What machine should we use? This one again, or should we try
Just use this one.
do you reckon any of the sensible again?
No.
I'll just do rapid then.
Turn it to a cold.
Yeah, it's on cold. Yeah, I've already tried that. 1,000 should be enough.
The Hoover sounds so silent.
Wait, actually, I'll do that as a separate video. Do a rapid 14 on this, but rinses. Yeah, the pump on that's so smooth. And it's done.
You want the machine?
Thanks for watching, guys. That's just finished. Even though this is 2 minutes, the light's gone out, so that's just going to be unlocking the door now. That will be clean as well. You just saw the after result of that. We're going to put that on another rinse, so the centre of it's still warm. Just make sure all the suds are rinsed out, but it seems like nice and scented, so that's just a protector sheet for my mattress and that's the duvet. So thanks for watching.
Thank you all so much. This is Michael, winner Laundry Lad 2010 and Harrison Thomas out. See you in the next video.